Table tennis is a fast-paced indoor sport, played between 2 players or 4 players. Players hit a lightweight ball across a table using a paddle, aiming to score points by making it difficult for the opponent to return the ball. To play table tennis, you need just a few things: a table tennis table with a net in the center, a paddle or bat, usually rubber on both sides, a table tennis ball, lightweight and hollow. That's it. Simple and easy. Let's talk about the basic rules. A match is usually played to 11 points. You must win by at least 2 points. The serve changes every 2 points. The ball must bounce once on your side and once on your opponent's side. If the ball touches the net and goes over during a serve, it's called a let, and the serve is replayed. There are 2 popular grips: shake hand grip, like shaking hands with the paddle; pen hold grip, holding the bat like a pen. For beginners, the shake hand grip is easier and more comfortable. Stand slightly sideways, bend your knees a little, and keep your body relaxed. Hold the paddle in front of you and stay light on your feet. Good balance is key in table tennis. Here are the 3 basic strokes. Forehand, hit the ball with the front side of your paddle. Backhand, hit the ball across your body using the other side. Serve, start the point by tossing the ball at least 6 inches and striking it. Focus on control first, not power. Some common mistakes beginners make: hitting too hard, standing too stiff, not watching the ball. Poor serving technique. Relax, practice slowly, and focus on consistency. Here are some easy tips to improve. Practice rallies instead of smashing. Learn basic spin gradually. Play regularly with different opponents. Watch professional matches for inspiration. Practice makes progress. And that's it. Now you know the basics of how to play table tennis. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want advanced tips or drills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.